Congratulations on finding the right vehicle for you on eBay Motors. You can now use escrow.com directly from eBay Motors to more safely pay the seller of your vehicle and complete the purchase. Here's how it works. First, make sure the listing is escrow enabled by looking for escrow as a payment option. Once you have committed to purchasing, select escrow.com as your payment method. You'll be taken to escrow.com to register and verify your details. Escrow.com confirms the identity of you and your seller to reduce the risk of fraud. After your details have been entered and your identity verified, you're ready to make your payment. Escrow.com will hold your funds in escrow for the duration of the transaction until you've received and inspected the vehicle. Once the funds have been received into your escrow account, your seller will be notified via their escrow.com account that they can release the vehicle to you. Now that you have received the vehicle, you have 2 days to inspect it inside and out. If the vehicle does not meet your expectations, you can choose to reject the vehicle and return it to the seller. Any return shipping must be paid for by the buyer. If the vehicle is in the condition you expected, it's as simple as selecting Accept to release the funds from the escrow to the seller's bank account. For more information about your transaction, get in touch with escrow.com